Custom Smart Control Programs. Second generation COSORI pressure cooker features 6 new custom smart control programs. Improved performance and steam technology upgraded features. Custom cook times. Fahrenheit or Celsius readings. /. 6 different pressure levels. Adjustable temperatures. And 2 manual pressure cooking modes. Now includes pasta / boil and hot pot programs. All settings ready to go. 1 pot with 6 cooking functions. Bake, saute and brown, boil, steam, slow cook, and pressure cook. Use it as a slow cooker, rice cooker, saute pan, yogurt maker, hot pot, steamer, warmer and pressure cooker. Even cook eggs and bake cakes. Faster cooking times. Advanced steam technology seals in steam to cook up to 70% faster. Eco-friendly efficiency. This user-friendly cooker emits no steam when cooking. Locks in more nutrients and vitamins. 17 smart programs. Meat / stew. Poultry. Soup. Beans / chili. White rice, brown rice, multigrain, steam vegetables, slow cook, yogurt, pasta / boil, steam potatoes, hot pot, saute / brown, bake, reheat, keep warm. Certified safety, ETL, FCC and FTA certified. 9 safety mechanisms provide peace of mind for beginner and expert chefs. Food grade stainless steel 18 / 8. Inner pot. With 3-ply bottom. Lid. Steam rack are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Extra essentials. Recipe book. Stainless steel thickened steam rack with handle. Tempered glass lid for slow cooking. Extra silicone sealing ring. Ladle. Rice spoon. And measuring cup included. For more informations, check out the description under the video. German engineered to last. Unlike other models, our cooker is made with high quality rubber seals, strong reliable heat resistant handles and internal electronics made to stand the test of time. Best pressure cooker hot pot with 18 smart programs. Meat, poultry, vegetable, steam, risotto, oatmeal, white rice, canning, beans, broth, curry, soup, multigrain, sterilize, chili, cake, saute, egg, slow cook and keep warm. Now, your favorite dishes are as easy as pressing a button. 2 dishes simultaneously. We have included a bonus stainless steel rack which allows you to cook 2 dishes at the same time, saving you time and money. Strongest, healthiest ceramic non-stick interior coating, plastic PTFE and FOA-free for even heat distribution, fully sealed environment seals in the flavors, nutrients and aromas within the food to healthy, stainless steel 1810, inner cooking pot made from food grade 304 SS, no chemical coating, 3-ply bottom for even heat distribution, fully sealed environment traps the flavors, nutrients and aromas within the food. Next generation electronic controls built with the latest generation technology. Microprocessors monitor pressure, temperature, keep time and adjust heating intensity and duration to achieve your desired results every time. UL and ULC certified with 8 safety mechanisms in place to provide you with added assurance, designed to eliminate many common errors. For more informations, check out the description under the video. Duo Plus is the latest evolution in the #1 selling multi-cooker, the Duo series, new for 2017 with more custom features, improved usability and a large attractive blue LCD screen. Duo Plus replaces 9 common kitchen appliances including pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, egg cooker, SWAT, steamer, warmer, sterilizer, and it makes cake up to 70% quicker. A great meal is a press of a button away with 15 microprocessor controlled programs taking the guesswork out of your cooking. You can achieve perfect results every time. All components in contact with food are food grade 304/18/8 stainless steel, including the lid, the inner pot with 3-ply bottom, and steam rack with handles. They are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. All certified with 10 proven safety mechanisms, gives you peace of mind. Highly energy efficient, this kitchen-friendly cooker emits no steam when cooking, contains all smells, and automates your cooking. Accessories include steam rack with handles, recipe booklet, serving spoon, soup spoon, and measuring cup. To maximize performance of cooker, only use genuine Instant Pot accessories. For more information, check out the description under the video. Nine appliances in one. Cook meals in mere minutes ampersand in less than half the time. Also get instant access to our recipes. Pressure cook, slow cook, SWAT, steam, make cakes, pasteurize, make yogurt, cook rice, and warm, all in one appliance. Comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Register your appliance on the Mueller website. 2 dishes at once ampersand stainless steel pot. The included stainless steel steamer basket enables you to make 2 dishes at once. The big cooking pot is also stainless steel. 14 easy touch cooking programs: poultry, meat/stew, bean/chili, soup, SWAT/simmer, cake, rice, multigrain, porridge, steam, slow cook, keep warm, yogurt, and pressure cook. Manual setting. We've thought of everything. An extra silicone gasket, silicone mitts, steamer basket, 4 cm raised steam rack/trivet, ladle, rice paddle, and measuring cup are all included. Recipes and videos on Mueller mobile app. The Mueller site and mobile app for iOS and Android feature thousands of recipes and step-by-step videos to make the most out of every Mueller appliance. For more information, check out the description under the video. The Crock-Pot brand, the leader in one-pot cooking, introduces the Express Crock Programmable Multi-Cooker, an all-in-one appliance that lets you slow cook, pressure cook, brown and SWAT, or steam. 8 one-touch digital meal settings include meat/stew, beans/chili, rice/risotto, yogurt, poultry, dessert, soup, and multigrain. 6-quart non-stick cooking pot resists stuck on food and is dishwasher safe, simplifying your cleanup. Designed with an airtight locking lid that stays sealed under pressure for added safety. A delay start timer that offers you the flexibility to start at a later time, and warm setting to keep your food at the ideal serving temperature. Accessories include recipe book, steaming rack, and serving spoon. For more information, check out the description under the video.